Here's some Aztec Empire Structure trivia. Subscribe. What was the primary agricultural crop of the Aztecs? Is it A, rice, B, potatoes, C, maize, or D, wheat? The correct answer is C. Which city served as the capital of the Aztec Empire? Is it A, Cusco, B, Lima, C, Quito, Titlan? The correct answer is D, Tenochtitlan. What was the main purpose of chinampas? Is it A, fishing, B, transportation, C, hunting, or D, agriculture? The correct answer is D, agriculture. What was the dominant religion in the Aztec culture? Is it A, Christianity, B, monotheism, C, Buddhism, or D, polytheism? The correct answer is D, polytheism. Which bird was often associated with the Aztec sun god? Is it A, hawk, B, flamingo, seagull, or D, parrot? The correct answer is sea eagle. Which deity was known as the god of rain? Is it A, Poseidon, B, Tlaloc, or D, Zeus? The correct answer is C, Tlaloc. Which language was primarily spoken by the Aztecs? Is it A, Spanish, B, English, C, Nahuatl, or D, Quechua? The correct answer is C, Nahuatl. What was the purpose of the Aztec calendar? Is it A, timekeeping, B, historical events, C, political treaties, or D, sacred sacrifices? The correct answer is A, timekeeping. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.